Hi, my name is Kate Kalmakov. I'm the global co-chair of the immigration practice at Greenberg Traurig. Greenberg Traurig is one of the largest law firms in the world with 47 offices worldwide and 2,700 attorneys. We are very experienced in working on EB-5 cases. We've been working on them for about 20 years. We've helped thousands of investors successfully process for the green card through EB-5. And I want to talk to you today about the importance of preparing a strong EB-5 case and what to do to show to the USCIS that your source of funds is acceptable under the legal requirements of the EB-5 program. So the USCIS wants investors in the United States to be able to show that the funds that they're investing in the country are lawful. And what that means is that we have to show two things when we do a successful EB-5 investment green card. The first thing is we have to show where were the investors' funds earned in order to make the investment. And that source of funds can really come from any source. It can come from income and be documented with supplemental information from the employer. It can come from the sale of real estate. It can come from the sale of stock. It can come as a gift. This is often the case when we have adult children investors, perhaps already studying in the United States, getting a gift from their parents. But the gift can also be made to a non-family member. The source can also include money obtained in lottery winnings, divorce proceedings, really any source that is considered legal. So we have to evidence that. In addition to showing where the money came from, we have to show that the applicant complies with tax requirements in the country where they are located. And under the regulations, we have to submit 7 years of their tax returns to the USCIS or explain why they're not available. That relates to the source of funds requirement. The second part of the application has to focus on tracing the funds. So we have to establish a chain of custody almost to show how did the money move from the time it was earned all the way through until investment into the EB-5 project that the investor selects. So we have to show bank statements, we have to show investments, any place that the money may have flowed, we have to document that for the USCIS all the way through until the investment for the immigration purposes. This often involves working closely with the investor to put together a very thorough packet of documentation. As I said, we have a lot of experience in doing that, and we usually will sit with the agent on the ground and the investor themselves to go over the requirements, to put together a specific source of funds and path of funds analysis for their case, so that it is successful when they submit it to the USCIS for adjudication. We look forward to working with all of you very closely, and we enjoy our cooperation with Orbit very much. You are in good hands and with a very knowledgeable organization working together with GT to file your case.